Successful people once start from a zero. Yeah, every successful people had started their journey from the zero, but they had one thing common, and that was success mantra. So today I would like to share with you that powerful mantra which made people successful. So hello friend, this is Surya, motivational speaker, Lawofattraction coach and Hooponopono healer. And my today topic is the secret of success. Yes, you heard right. Today I would like to talk about the secret of success. Why am I going to talk about the secret of success? Something is missing in your life. Do you think that something is missing in your life? Do you think that you are looking for something which can change, yeah, which can give you some direction, because of which you can reach at your target, because of which you can achieve your goal? So this video is especially for you. This video is creating only for you. So you watch it till end, you can understand what the mantra can make people successful. So I would like to share with you three powerful formulas. The first, focus on progress, not a perfection. Yes, you heard right. Today you see most people try to be perfect in everything. They try to be perfect in sales. They try to be perfect in marketing. They try to be perfect in managing. They try to perfect in handling, objection handling, question handling. Do you think that is it possible if you focus on a perfection so you can progress? No. If you focus on a perfection, so somewhere you are creating doubt, somewhere you are doubting at your ability, somewhere you are not able to handle that situation. So don't focus on perfection, focus on a progress. Gradually, step by step, if you start progressing, one day you will be perfect in that work with which you are progressing. And second, believe in yourself. Why do I say believe in yourself? What is necessary? What is the use of believing in yourself? What is the point of believing in yourself? Do you think that you are in a hard time? Yeah, you are in a difficult time. Will someone come and save you? No, really. You don't believe that somebody will come and help you because people are busy in their work. People are busy in their life. They don't even have a time to. They don't even have a time to see and look after themselves. How can they manage time to help you, to support you, to train you, to give you a guidance to go from one place to another place? This is not a possible. So believe in yourself, believe in your ability, believe in your knowledge, believe in your courage, believe in your patience, and believe in your actions. Whatever action you will take, you believe that if I take actions, then right thing will start happening in my life. Suppose if you are a student, you believe in yourself because you don't believe that somebody will come and help me, or help me, then I can come out of my exam. No, dear, don't do like this, because if you believe in yourself, so you work hard, you study hard, you learn something, and if you learn, so in future you don't need to depend upon anything. You don't need to depend upon at anybody. So this is the second formula. The third and most important formula which I would like to share with you, and that is called the third and most important formula which I would like to share with you, that is called learn from failure. You see, many people, if they failed once, they just quit and run away. Whether they failed in education, whether they failed in business, whether they failed in any particular area, they just quit and they say that it is not of my, it is none of my job. Yeah, it is not a cup of my tea. I cannot handle it. So if you are like that mentality, if you have that kinds of mindset, so you cannot get success, because I know that you also know that failures are common in a progress. If you try to progress in any particular field, so somewhere you will have to fail, somewhere you will have to face this failure in your life. If you failed, you see and you ask yourself, what was that I'm missing? Yeah, what was my failure try to teach me? If you ask the right questions, so your mind, it means your subconscious mind, will start giving you right answer. Actually, people after being failed, people just start thinking, I have to quit, I have to give up, I have to quit, I have to give up. That's why they give up and they run away. But you don't do like that, because you really don't know that success mantra means, success mantra means not a magic. Success mantra means a powerful set of beliefs, powerful set of principle. If you keep working regularly, if you keep and if you practice regularly, they will create amazing result in your life. So you also have to understand this formula. First, don't try to be perfect. Second, believe in yourself. Third, learn from failure, and everything will start changing. So this was a topic. You watch it and you apply in your life. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and love you.